The human-centric lighting is the most forward, current, revolutionary technology that we've embraced. Being able to mimic what's happening in the course of a day or of an evening. Also being able to mimic what's happening in our decorative fixtures in terms of being able to match that intensity, that color temperature, and that color rendering.
Being able to create spaces also for your artwork, your wall washes. It's in an infancy stage and on the programming side, but it could become a game changer.
And we chose Legrand as a partner. They were very gracious in terms of being able to provide everything that we were looking for.
Vantage lighting. There are really big differences between dimming, lighting loads, how you run it, hybrids, knowing the language, but also knowing the product, because there's several ways to design systems. The Vantage lighting design staff and the people to bounce ideas off and also to help us with the initial design was a great feature set on our education. All the way to the shades, easy one button push, everything integrated together. When you walk into the condo and you hit welcome, you turn the stream on. Nuvo is very easily integrated into not only in its app by itself, but it also integrates into the Equinox and the Equinox app with Vantage, so you don't have to use a multi-app to control the Nuvo, the streams, and your music.
Without the support of Legrand, I think this would be a pretty static space. I believe it's the technology that brings it to life, that gives it a voice. It makes it comfortable, it makes it quiet, makes it peaceful, and it improves the aesthetic.